Hi, so this is my door here in Greece, in Santorini, and what I'm about to show you on the other side hopefully will inspire you to study. Actually, before I even open it, enter a comment. Do you like me showing you videos like from my life rather than just stock charts and basic stuff? Because what I find is that, I have 5 millionaire students. My last 2 millionaire students only found me because they liked my Lamborghini on Instagram. But you tell me, before we even begin, leave a comment right now. I won't know if you're leaving a comment when in the video, but do me a favor and leave a comment before I show you what's on the other side of this door. If you think views or this crazy life that I've created inspire you to study harder. Not that it's a given, not that it's gonna be easy to get here, because it's not. That's not how this works. You're gonna have to work your ass off. I can only speed up your learning curve based on, giving you lessons, patterns, rules that I learned the hard way over 20 years. Anyways, enough talk. Leave a comment below. Do videos like this motivate you? And voila! I had to build it up, right? Look at this view here in Santorini. This is my little suite here, overlooking the ocean. It's a little dark out. It's my bedroom. I just gotta show you this. I'm gonna try not to drop my iPhone. I know they have waterproof ones, but I am a few models behind. Oh, it's a hot tub. It's nice. Does this motivate you to want to come to views like this? Risking my iPhone to bring you this kind of sick penthouse view. Look at this. By the way, this is about $3,000 a night, in case you're wondering. But I don't mind, because sometimes you gotta splurge. Sometimes you gotta, enjoy the moment, enjoy the opportunity. There's strong Wi-Fi here. Thank you, Andronis Suites. I'm not like a influencer getting free stays. I actually pay for my hotels. It's my honor to support, the local economy. I know a lot of people try to scam their way to get free stuff, and they pretend that they're rich. I am rich. I pay millions of dollars a year in taxes too. But just look at this, okay? I grew up in small town Orange, Connecticut. Very small population. Most of the people I know are still there. Now I'm looking at the moon, looking at Santorini from, I think this is the best suite on the entire caldera, if you want a technical term. Just this view is just madness. But I don't know, does it inspire you? Or are you just like, yo, Sykes guy is bragging, he's got the cars, he's got the charities, many celebrities, he travels all over the world. I want you to understand this can be you. That's why I'm not even gonna show myself in this video. This should be your view. This should be your hand in front of the video, because I am not special. I'm not that smart, and I need to get it through your brains. But in order to get here, you are gonna have to study hard. This is why I have so many video lessons, DVDs, webinars. I've learned the tricks of the trade over 20 plus years, and that's what you're gonna need to do. Otherwise, you'll just end up likely the 90% of traders who lose, and you're not gonna come to places like this. Maybe you'll be working as a waiter in one of these places. I've already had a few people recognize me, even though I'm not even here, on social media in real time. I'm still in Switzerland. I don't post in real time anymore because, I like it when you guys come up to me, but also sometimes I just need to live my life. But just look at this view. I mean, I'm sitting in a freaking hot tub. And by the way, I'm not here alone. Some of you guys are like, why are you always alone? Being rich is lonely. No, I just don't share with you, my personal details anymore. Because frankly, there are a few psychos out there on the internet. They dug up the address of my parents' house that I bought for them in Miami Beach. They mistakenly think that it's mine. People are calling it a shithole. I think it's actually a really nice shithole. I paid nearly $1 million for that shithole in Miami Beach, and my parents love it. But I just don't like that. I haven't had any really bad stalker issues, but I've just learned to keep things private. So more importantly, I got here on my own without any help. I'm all self-taught, and you can get here with my help. You don't have to wait as long as I did. And you can, I think, do it in a better risk-adjusted way. I took on a lot of big risks early on when I didn't understand risk management. All I saw were views like this, and I didn't have a mentor, I didn't have a guide. So I'm trying to be the mentor to you. that I never had. And, I have some technical videos, I have some basic videos, and I just have some visual motivation videos. And, I'm very grateful to find students who want better lives for themselves. They want better lives for themselves and their family. It's not just about them, or maybe, you get motivated when I donate $1 million in a day to Pencils of Promise. My favorite charity where we've now built over 24 schools with them. I don't know if it's views or cars or charity. Actually, leave a comment. I'm going to adjust that. If you already left a comment, that's cool. But if you want to leave another comment, what motivates you the most? Is it views, like travel? Or is it cars? Or is it charity? Or is it just the fact that I'm real? I've heard this a lot. Some of my upcoming millionaire students are like, there's so many fakes in this industry. What motivated me to study was just the fact that I actually do have millionaire students who show their real names. They're not made up names. When they say they make millions of dollars, they don't just show an end of the month screenshot like some traders. They show exactly how much money was risked in every trade, the wins and the losses. So just being real in an industry full of fakes, I can see how that's inspiring too. But what inspires you the most? I'm curious, because I'll feature that more. I'm not a perfect teacher. I'm always adapting. I'm always trying to create more successful students. But to me, this view here in Santorini is one of the all-time best views in the world. Most magical, most unique, and you should come here at least once in your life. And I'll tell you, this suite, like I said, I got like a living room, I got a bedroom, and I got this little pool area, and I can have breakfast and dinner out there. I'll show you some food later too. Maybe food inspires you like it does me. But I don't know. I just look out at this and I just see freedom, because I'm not here for any special reason. I know people come here on honeymoons or for birthdays or anniversaries or retirement party. I'm just here because I was like, you know what? I feel like going to Greece today. And it's pretty cool to have that freedom. And then, just looking, just in case you're wondering, how do I find these places? I knew I liked Santorini. This is one of my favorites, but I booked this kind of last second, just a few days before. I actually have one of my newest six-figure students, Mike Huddy, coming here tomorrow. Look at my little feet. He's made over $200,000 now, and he's traveling. He's in Mykonos. So he's coming over here. I just got him a suite right next door too, and it's all very last second. I don't plan ahead of time. I'm just, in the mood for different stuff. And that is what financial freedom brings you. And the way to get there is not just having one income source, mind you, okay? The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So some people are like, oh, Tim, you make a lot of money from teaching. You make money in other ways. Yeah, I do. That's not a bad thing. I'm perfectly open about it, okay? My income comes from trading and from teaching. That's it. So I have to be the best trader I can be. I have to be the best teacher I can be. And it's in my own best interest to create my most successful students. It blows my mind how some people look down on teachers. I get it. Okay, there's a lot of fakes. I would look down on them too. But I only got into teaching because Wall Street Warriors was a hit over a decade ago, and everyone's like, how do you turn a few thousand into a few million? And there were so many fucking fakes out there. So I'm doing it my way, like Frank Sinatra taught me, and it's working. I just need to get through to you. I'll do these little monologues and these confessionals all day long. I'm just looking out, no planned talk whatsoever, just saying what's on my mind, trying to get you to study harder. Because all of my millionaire students, the one thing they have in common, the one thing, is that they studied their asses off. Whether, it was Mark Crook watching all of my video lessons 3 times, Ducks, we thought he was a hacker. He watched so many videos and he came up with the analogy that he was, studying so much even when he was on the bathroom, even when he was on the toilet. That's how much he was studying. Roland has watched all my video lessons. Michael Good has watched all my webinars. Tim Grattani learns, from my DVDs and from, actual trading. So everyone learns in different ways. And now Huddy has studied a ton. Jack Kellogg has studied a ton. Atik has studied a ton. So Kyle Williams, there's so many upcoming students, but they have all studied a lot. So that is my main thing here, where I'm just trying to get you to understand that, this isn't going to be easy. Getting rich isn't fun. You get to have fun after you get rich. So maybe visuals like this will help, because I know a lot of rich people are too worried about looking like douchebags, so they don't want to show stuff like this. I have looked like a douchebag on so many reality shows. I'm fine with it. Whatever it takes to get you here. Leave a comment if you're inspired to study hard. I have video lessons, DVDs, webinars. I'm also gonna post a few links below this video with deals in case you want to study up and save, because I want to reward your dedication. But anyways, I'm gonna go chill with my friends and hope you have a good night studying. Get here, overtime. Cheers. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.